To do multiplication and division with mixed numbers, we don't need any new properties. We'll just simply use the properties we have and improvise. Our first problem here, we want to multiply 1 1/4 by 4 2/3. What we're going to do first is change each mixed number to an improper fraction. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So I get 5/4 for the first fraction. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14 for the second one. 14/3, I should say. Now I'll factor the numerators. 14 is 2 times 7. 4 is 2 times 2. Now I divide out factors that are common to the numerator and denominator, and I end up with 5 times 7 is 35 divided by 6. Now, usually if my problem is written in terms of mixed numbers to start with, then I want to write my answer as a mixed number also. So I'm going to do that next and change this to 6 divided into 35. I will end up with 5 and 5/6. So when I do this change from this improper fraction to this mixed number, I end up with 5 and 5/6. So you see no new properties. I simply change each mixed number to an improper fraction. Then I multiply like I normally do. If I end up with an improper fraction, I'll rewrite it as a mixed number. Here's our next problem. Let's divide this time, and we have 3 1/5 divided by 4 1/2. Before we change to multiplication by the reciprocal, let's change to improper fractions. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1, I get 16/5, divided by 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9/2. Now, I'm going to change that to 16/5 times the reciprocal of 9/2, which is 2/9. Now let's see, I don't think there's any factors common to the numerator and denominator here, so I'll simply multiply 16 times 2 and get 32, and 5 times 9 is 45. So I end up with 32 over 45. That is in lowest terms, and since it's a proper fraction, I can't change it into a mixed number. Let's try one more problem. So let's change, I have one mixed number here, let's change it to an improper fraction. I have 3/4 divided by 2 1/2 will be 5/2, and then all that's divided by 3. Now let's change division to multiplication by the reciprocal. 3/4 times 2/5. Instead of dividing by 5/2, I multiply by 2/5, and then that's times 1/3. So let's see. 3 times 2 is 6. Well, let's see, I can divide out common factor of 2, so I end up with 3/10 times 1/3. Divide out that common factor of 3, I end up with 1/10. So there is a quick look at multiplication and division with mixed numbers.